This video today is going to be how to draw an ant using lines and shapes. Let's go ahead and get your sketchbook or your quarter-size sheet of paper, and we are going to hold the paper horizontally because the ant is more long than it is tall. We are not holding it vertical, we're holding it horizontally, so hold your paper sideways like this. Follow my lead. I will be using a marker, but you will be using a pencil, so make sure you draw light. That way if you make a mistake, the lines go away when you erase. Alright, so following my lead, the first shape that you are going to do is an oval. We're going to do it on the left side of the paper. We're going to draw an oval diagonally, just like that. Second shape inside the oval is going to be another oval that is smaller. And then the third one is another small oval inside that one. So there's three ovals. Okay, these two are touching each other. Next shape that we are going to do is going to be the antennas. So from the top of the head of the ant, we're going to do a line just like that, and then we'll do another one above it, and at the end of each antenna is just going to be another little oval. Okay? Next shape, we're going to do a letter C right here at the top of the end of the oval, just like that, and then we're going to connect it on this side like that, and then on this side like that. So there's this little pincher. Okay, the next shape we are going to do is the thorax. So from the head of the antenna, we are going to make a line just like that. At the end of this line, we're going to do a letter O, and then we will do a letter U. Okay? If I am going too fast, make sure you pause the video so you can catch up. Next step we're going to do is his legs. The first two legs, what I'm doing is the first one is in the foreground, so I'm going to do it before I continue the thorax. So I'm going to make two lines at this letter O. I'm going to go up two parallel lines, just like that. And then I'm going to go down. This one's going to have to extend a little bit longer and go down. So these two are parallel, and then these two are parallel. Okay? Alright, at the end of this one, you're going to make a letter U, and then I'm going to make another parallel going diagonal this way, another parallel line, a letter U at the end, and then a W or a M, W or a sideways M. Alright, then I'm going to continue the thorax. So now I'm going to put my pencil right here in between the O and the U, and I'm going to continue and make a line going like that. I'm going to stop at the leg and then go to the other side of the leg and continue to the head. So that's the second part of the body, which is called the thorax. Now, the ant has another leg that's in the background. So this leg is in the foreground, the other one is in the background. So I'm going to make a line going down here, and then I'm going to go diagonal, and then I'm going to continue this parallel line diagonal to that one, make a letter U, and then a sideways W or a M. Okay, next step. We're going to do the back part of his body, which is the abdomen. I'm going to put my pencil at the O again, and I'm going to make an arch and go down just like that. Okay, at the end of this arch, it's a letter V. Alright, next step. We are going to do a leg that is in the foreground again. So I'm going to put my pencil at the U and make a long parallel line. Make a U, sideways U at the end of it, and go down, parallel line, letter U, and a sideways W or a M. Alright, the next step we're going to do is we're going to finish the abdomen. So we're going to put our pencil here at the letter V and go down and stop at the leg, and then you are going to continue and go up and stop at the leg. Alright, next step. There's a leg that is in the background, so you just two little lines like that because it is on the other side of his abdomen. Letter U, sideways W. Alright, and the last step is two little legs here in the middle. Go down, parallel line, go down again, parallel line, letter U at the end, sideways W, and then one more which is in the background. So you're going to follow this line here, go down, a letter U at the end, and then a W, or an upside down M. And so that is your ant, drawing with lines and shapes. You can see that I made my ant when I colored it, it's sitting on some grass, but you can use your imagination and draw your background however you want. Ants live in colonies, which are also called ant hills. So if you want to draw a little ant hill made out of dirt, you can do that. Add little pebbles at the bottom, maybe a sky. You get your color pencils and your crayons. Use your imagination and color however you want. Most ants are either red, black, or brown. And when you color, just make sure you do some shading where you do some light brown or whatever color you want and some dark. And have fun coloring. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and look for more videos.